Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Philine, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop because shopping is an art. Yay! Wait a minute. Because shopping is an art, these are the sale that I got from Mercari. So if you guys don't know what Mercari is, Mercari is an online selling where a lot of sellers and a lot of buyer, like an eBay or Pushmark, something like that. But they also have a lot of deals where you will be amazed that there's a lot of people selling their stuff for really great deals, and this are one of them. If you're looking for a great deals, Mercari, you should visit there. Okay, so this one comes from Amy, one of the seller that I bought from that I follow, that I will link her Mercari shop under this video. And this one is also from Miss Maria. Her name is Maria, and she also have a channel, Filipina in Idaho. Yes, so Idaho, USA. So the reason why I unboxed this, because I'm just excited that I have this product in such a very great deals. So if you don't know Mercari yet, you can upload your Mercari in your app. You can download the app, and then you can browse it from there. But if you want to visit their Mercari online selling, online store, I can link down below so you can check it out. Yes, so first, this one. Oh, this one. I hope I don't cut the so da-da. Wow, they really are good. Oh, look at that. So this, what I bought is this holiday Christmas collection stamps, transparent stuff. So this is for my daughter, and look how she packed this one. I think this is free also, because they're not included in here. I assume. All right, so one thing that I noticed from a lot of Mercaris, I mean, I bought few Mercaris from Mercari. What I mean is that they really pack their stuff pretty good, better than me. So this are, they call it hero arts stuff. So, you know. So my daughter likes to do something like this. So this is the nice things that she can do. She can explore. Oh my God, there's a lot. And these are the stencil pair, and I don't know how much was this that I bought. Oh, there's more. So I got this for a very good deal. So if you are into art, this is really nice. Stencils for art. Look at that. Oh, I will just give it to my husband, some of them. Okay, so thank you very much, Miss Amy, and until next time. So hopefully you put more listings, and so I can browse more listings, and maybe. Okay, so finally we have here, and wow, look. She really packed it pretty well. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. and she have she have a little card. Oh my god, this is so sweet. Thank you, Miss Maria. Thank you, Cece, for this one. Okay, there. And she have the thank you so much, sis, for your purchase and support. I hope you like them. Love, Cory. Oh, you're the best. Oh my god, this is so nice. Okay, first is this. Wow. She really packed it pretty good. So the thing about a lot of online sellers really pack their stuff very nice, and then they don't gain a lot of money from their sales. And look, so this is look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure this thing will not get away because of how she packed them. Oh my god, look at that. That's so cute. So this is a brand new Coach wristlet. This is so cute, and I got this for very good deals, and the receipt are here. I like it because it's just red. It's just red. So let me see. And the thing, kudos to her, to Miss Maria CC. The thing about her is I asked her to bundle 2 items, and she gave me a really big discount. And she's selling actually a very, probably the lowest, one of the lowest prices that I ever encountered at Mercari, you know. So that is really great to know. I will save this because I can use this in my next packaging. See, guys, it's very nice. Okay, the second one is okay. Wow. And this one is the Michael Kors with the dust bag. And dun, 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 dun. Tadaan! It's red! So this is the crossbody bag. And this is made of like Saffiano leather. This is pretty nice. So this is already used, but this is really in a very good condition. Very good. You get a key here. And of course, this is the lock. This is removable. So let's see. She was telling me they have a stain in here, but you cannot even see it. Oh no, you can see it, but this is used, but it's very good condition. So see, like that. And the good thing about in Mercari, if you are a buyer, you can actually offer the seller of the price that you can afford. For example, like you can ask 30% off, 20% off, but please don't lowball the resellers because they're there to earn a little money. Just like them, where I bought my stuff, they are really, I think this one is just really cheap. I bought it very cheap. She told me there is a stain inside, but I don't really mind because you cannot even see inside. But most importantly, her bag doesn't smell, so that is really good. And oops, since I will show you this one. So this is my Mercari deals, and I want to share with you because this is awesome. So she have more bags there. So if you want some bags that are, hang on. Okay. So this one is like this. Like this. Okay. Okay. So this is very nice, and I'm really happy the fact that this is really a very good condition. I believe I think you can see the bundle there. I believe this is like $40 or something, all of them. So this is very cheap. I did not ask for discounts. It just give me a pretty good discount. So this is from my Mercari. This is from my Mercari deals. Yay! It's really a great deals. Yes. So I will link their Mercari online shop there below this video, and you can check it out, and also follow my Facebook page, Finding Good Deals and Reviews, because there I post every day in a very great deals. Okay, and thank you very much, and thank you Sis Amy and Sis Maria for this beautiful stencil. I'm gonna do this for my there. Yay! Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe if this is the channel or the content that you'd like to see. I do a lot of great deals, hauls, and reviews. Yes. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. Bye.